Hello, pen testers. This is Puneet Darji back again with another cloud pen testing video. And today's video, we are going to dive into the Amazon Web Services System Manager agent or AWS SSM agent. So let's move on to the video. First thing first, let's talk about what the SSM agent actually is. The SSM agent is a crucial component of AWS System Manager. It is a service that simplifies the management and the automation of instances, or you can say virtual servers in AWS Cloud. The agent runs on these instances and enables seamless remote management and automation tasks without the need for the manual intervention. That we know what the SSM agent is, let's explore why it is important, and here few key features and benefits you should know about it. So first is remote management. With the SSM agent, you can remotely manage your instances in AWS Cloud. So this includes executing commands, installing softwares, managing patches and updates, and many more. So it eliminates the need for manual login to each instance and saving your time and efforts. So let's say an example. Let's say you have a virtual server running an application and you realize you need to install some updates or make changes to the server's configuration. Instead of going through the hassle of login to each instance individually, the SSM agent allows you to manage them remotely from the central location. Second is automation. The SSM agent allows you to automate the various operation tasks such as system configuration, application installation, and ongoing maintenance. Automation helps you to streamline the process. Second is automation. Automation helps you streamline the processes, improve the efficiency, and reduce the human error. So let's talk about the automation example. Imagine you have multiple instances running across the different region and you want to install a software update on all of them. With the SSM agent, you can create an automation task that automatically install the update on every instance simultaneously. So it's like having an army of workers carrying out tasks for you while you focus on other important things. Third is a centralized control. AWS System Manager provides the centralized dashboard where you can view and manage your instances irrespective of their quantity or location. The unified control makes it easier to manage and monitor your infrastructure. So these are the key features. So remote management, automation, and centralized control. So these are three key features and benefits. Now let's move on to the vulnerability and exploitation, the most important part. So let's take a closer look at the vulnerabilities that attacker commonly exploit to carry out the SSM agent takeover attack. So common vector include weak authentication configuration, outdated agent version, or even unpatched vulnerabilities within the agent itself. So attacker exploit these weaknesses to gain their foothold and take control of the instances. So let's move on to the demo part so you will get the better understanding. So this is the SSM Agent Takeover lab. So first of all, we need to get the temporary credentials. So we are going to perform the SSRF attack to get the credentials. So here I am giving the IP address 169.254.169.254. So SSRF attack I have already covered in previous videos. So just yeah, I'm performing the SSRF attack latest and get the metadata. Just copy and get the metadata, and IAM. So just copy /IAM security credentials. Security credentials. And we have cloud pentest underscore role. So let's get the credentials, temporary credentials, the cloud pentest role credentials we will get. So here we get the credentials. So let's configure the profile. So let's do it here. Configure the profile and AWS configure and give the profile hyphen profile, give the profile name EC2 SSM Agent Takeover, and here give the access key, hit the enter, secret key, and give the default region US East 1, and set the token. So for that I have already covered how to set the token in previous videos. So here just copy and paste it. So in the credentials files I'm directly copy paste and save it. Now let's pass the command AWS STS get caller identity. So this command we can obtain details such as access ID, user ID, and ARN associated with the current identity. So just give the profile and hit the enter. Here you can see the cloud pentest rule, and this attached to this particular EC2 instance. So whenever you get the credentials, always check the policies. So here I am trying to get the manage policies. So I am attached rule policies and give the rule name. So here rule name is cloud pentest, as you can see in the ARN. So just copy paste and give the profile and hit the enter. So there is the no manage policy attached to the cloud pentest underscore rule. So then check with the inline policy, just remove the attach and you will get the inline policy details. So, and here you can see cloud pentest underscore inline policy. Now let's get the rule details or rule policy details. So AWS get AWS IAM get rule policy, and here give the rule name. So here rule name is cloud pentest underscore rule. Okay, I have just hit the enter. Cloud pentest rule, and give the policy name. So policy name is a cloud policy name, and the policy name is cloud pentest underscore inline underscore policy, and give the profile. Don't forget to give the profile. If it is default profile that you have set, then it is okay. So here you can see the SSM star, IAM list star, IAM get star, and EC2 describe policies. So this is the policy details. Now the SSM, how we can get the SSM agent takeover. So let's do it. As we have SSM star policy attached, we can get the cell of the instances, and for the cell we need to get the instance IDs. So for that it requires the EC to describe. So EC to describe, and here you can see the details. So here just go to the instances, just go, and here you can see the ID, instance ID. Now with the help of SSM start session and give the target. So here pass the instance ID, give the region. So here I am passing the region US East 1 and give the profile. This command initiate interactive session with the EC2 instance using AWS Systems Manager and allowing direct access to the instance command line in the command line interface through the AWS Management Console or AWS CLI. So here we are inside the EC2 instance. So let's pass the command who am I, and here you can see SSM agent. So let's pass the find the flag file. So here cat flag.txt, and here we get the details. So this is the simple flag file, but what else we can do? We can get the credentials using the curl command inside the EC2 instance. So we are already inside the EC2 instance and we get the command using the metadata. So let's say a curl command, and we are passing the metadata and give the IAM, and here we have the security credentials, and here you can see the role ECS instance role. So this can we can leverage to the further attack. So this is just a sample, just a demo. I am not attaching any other attack related to SSM Agent Takeover, but it is very dangerous when it's misconfigured. So this is all about the SSM Agent Takeover attack. We have performed the attack. Now it's the prevention and best practice time. So the good news is that you can take proactive measure to defend against the SSM Agent Takeover attack. And here are few best practices to implement. So first is regular updates. Ensure that your SSM agent is always up to date with the latest release. Updating helps you patch security vulnerabilities and adds new features to enhance the protection. Second is secure configuration. Follows the AWS security recommendation and best practices for the SSM agent configuration. Pay particular attention to authentication settings, access control, and permissions. Third is monitoring and logging. So implement comprehensive monitoring and logging tool to detect any suspicious activity associated with the SSM agent. Early detection is crucial in mitigation potential attacks. And fourth is access control. So limit access to SSM agent by implementing the principle of least privilege. Only grant necessary permission to prevent an unauthorized user from compromising the agent. Fifth is the network segmentation. So implement network segmentation to isolate the SSM agent from the critical system or sensitive data. This adds an extra layer of protection, limiting the potential impact of a compromised agent. Sixth is regular auditing, and last but not the least, incident response plan and the employment awareness training. So these are the prevention and best practices. That's all from my side on understanding the SSM agent and its vulnerabilities. Remember, while the SSM agent offers incredible convenience for managing your cloud infrastructure, it's crucial to give prioritize security and follow the best practices. Stay vigilant, keep your agent up to date, and regular assess and secure its configuration. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, then share with your infosec friends and subscribe our channel for more such cloud pen testing content. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.